Say cheese. We're on our way to look at our possible property that we put in an offer. So let's see how it turns out. Rini, say hi.
Hi.
You gotta be in it. Wait.
Hi.
There she is.
Hi.
Look at the dog. It's even coming with us. Hey everybody. So looking at a piece of property that we're gonna buy. I'm going to show you the one that I thought was the one, and then it wasn't the one because our realtor told us it was on the left-hand side, and going from the Georgia line, it's actually on the right-hand side. So we were looking at the wrong property all along.
But so this is actually it right here. This whole one right down all the way along the left right here. We're gonna get to the front of the road, and then we'll show you guys the road frontage. So it has this service road right here on the side of the property. Kind of hard to see, but so right here is the service road on the side of the property. It goes down, but this is all of it right here on the left. We just kind of walk through most of the property.
Pretty flat.
It's pretty flat. This one kind of shows it's a little hilly, but majority of it's pretty flat. We'll walk a little bit in the front of it once we get there.
Let's be big at this.
Oh, I see. So that's a neighbor property. It is available.
So any of our friends or family member who are interested in it, you could be next door neighbor to us with 23
acres.
23 acres. So apparently in Alabama, when you reach 65, there is no more property tax, so that's a plus. So definitely a good reason to come and retire here. Look at all those potential Christmas tree, you guys. Right here. You should start a Christmas tree farm. Oh, is that me?
That's me.
Oh, there, seatbelt. Yeah. Okay, so see this property right in front of us with the gate? That was the one. Woo! That was the one that we thought was for sale.
The other video we walked on.
From the other video, this is where we walked down, and we're like, yeah, it's already been cleared out, and everybody started grass seed for us. So this is definitely the one, and the grass is definitely greener on the other side. So this is going to be one of our neighbors. And then on the opposite side over here is the property we bought.
So all this right here on the side, it's us. Put an offer in. If everything goes well, we'll be signing for it in like
The 22nd of November.
9 days. So all this right here,
24 plus acres.
24 acres. We'll park over here for a second and then kind of walk in there. Oh yeah, it goes all the way to actually
On the
right
line.
there, and then I don't know, back there. It still keeps on going towards the back of it. We'll show you guys somewhere. But here, let me park over here real quick, and then it's just a small section that you can see. But so we'll probably make the road. I think we kind of walked through most of it. The entrance is going to be like right here somewhere. That's where we're going to make the entrance. Okay, so here's the sign of the property. So it was like right about right here where we were gonna make the entrance in. We're gonna level this in here and then work our way all the way kind of to the back towards most of the back of the property. But yes, we have a lot of work to be done. We do know that for sure. I'll be renting a Bobcat and excavator starting on the 29th of November. And then I will be clearing path through here and about a 5 or 6 acre spot in the middle of it. But we're clearing most of this, so stay tuned and thanks for following with us. Thanks, guys. See you soon.